You should eat more at daycare, Kyle. Now you have to wait for food to get ready. What's wrong?
My tummy hurts.
You were fine a minute ago.
My tummy hurts. I was sitting on my foot.
Did it hurt?
No.
Well, why are you crying?
Because I'm mad about here. I'm going to I don't want him to be crying.
I don't want him crying either, so I'm... Get your face off my foot. Oh, now you're better?